Here are all of the new parts going on my Lotus Elise.
When I lay them all out, it's more exciting. Carbon fiber front lip, carbon fiber front grills. Both of these were donated by my friend Rapid Lotus. The carbon fiber side scoops I actually bought for Schmodified for Christmas or his birthday. I don't know. They don't work on his car anymore, so they're mine again. And I also stole this carbon fiber wing off of the Schmodified Lamborghini. Rapid Lotus also hired someone to custom cut out these aluminum side skirts, so I ordered a pair from him. If you've been around for a while, you know that I have a ton of issues with my battery, so Optima went ahead and sent me this new battery. We're going to have to set up a custom place to install it. And Motul sent me a ton of oil for all of our cars because this is actually the recommended oil for our car, and it's great for performance cars. Last year, I also bought myself new headers and a new exhaust. I put them over there because they're crusty, dusty looking. And it's a side exit exhaust out of the rear, so I got this diffuser delete panel. Schmodified bought me this beautiful Reverie carbon fiber quick release steering wheel for my birthday this year, and he also donated these Schroth racing harnesses for the car. And my friend Kevin was cleaning out his garage and had a spare harness bar that actually fits in this car. I hope you guys are excited to see this car come back together because I sure am.